just going to put the top box and this corner. So now I'm just gonna make place a bracket to place it. Let's do it.
We did this 4 flat bar and 4 metal angular bar, so to fix this toolbox to make a top box in our scooter. So let's start on it.
First, we need to remove the fender, put out the 4 screws around. After removing the fender and measuring the height that I wanted for the top box, the silver platform wasn't enough, so I chose to cut a longer bar to make the top box in proper and excellent place. So after I got the perfect measurement for the bracket and made holes, it's time to fix it. Almost done. This is how it look like. Just need to balance and tighten it. Marking to make holes for the screws using scissors because pen isn't visible enough. So this is the easy top box and bracket. This is easy to remove, even no tools needed. Next is to add another interesting design and make it a footrest at the same time. We add 2 pieces of tube from the excess parts of cut handlebar. So this is what we have done. very comfortable for riding, no bags needed to hang, pretty cool toolbox, strong bracket and footrest. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Keep safe, be responsible to the road, and fellow rider, enjoy your ride.